each mold. Ingenious carving, each product. Accurate fit, the craftsmanship of the electronic core. Electronics since 2003. Deeply cultivate electronic precision manufacturing. Build quality with professionalism. 12,000 square meters of modern factory, carrying an annual production capacity of 40 million. Mainly committed to research and development and manufacturing. Bobbin. New Energy Electronics. Automotive Electronics. Provide mold development. Injection molding. One-stop service for finished product assembly. Effectively shorten the development cycle. Reduce costs. Intelligently create fine products and create the future together.